I was like, okay, he likes me. Tungaloosh, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I know it's night. I made the mistake of not recording in the right order. So here I am at Sir Henry's for the Halloween event. If you remember from last year, I went to the Christmas event. It was a lot of fun. This is their main event. This is their big thing. This is what they do every year. And I gotta tell you, man, you gotta check this out. If it's in Plant City, Florida, I'll tell you right now, guys, for the budget they have, they do this really well. All right, the sun is starting to set. First up for us, Moonlight Massacre. And I hear people screaming already. Here we go. Right off the bat. Right off the bat. My eyes have not adjusted for the darkness yet. Oh, are we? We're outside already. Wow.
Something happened to the farm.
Something happened to the farmer, and we're in Swamp Things territory. Oh boy. See, it doesn't help I have this light right in my face. I can't see anything.
My costume this town into a lifetime of fun.
All right, back into civilization. Oh boy.
It's driving me insane.
Oh, this guy's got problems.
I can't take it anymore. Tell me what's happening to me. Oh, sorry, after I took her offer. I didn't know it could happen.
Oh boy. I hope I'm going the right way. Oh man, the candles are creepy. Wow. Whoa, hey. Hello. Let's see. Right. Yep, I guess I go in there.
Kill my family! Rip their heads off their shoulders! Their blood is on the wall!
Blood is on the lawn.
Cure, I have the cure! The cure from them like dogs! I have the cure! I promise I have it! Wolfsbane! I have it! I have the cure, that's what it is! It's Wolfsbane, I have it! You saw him, right? He was terrorizing everyone! The cure, I had it! It'll put him down like a dog! I have the cure! I'm not the one he should be scared of! I have it!
I'll come back for the key.
Oh,
okay.
Finally, a new water party. My business has been stale, so let's get on to business. Why don't you come right up here? I will cut you like a fish, cut you piece by piece, and serve you to that stray dog of the pig. That whoa.
Okay.
Somebody lost a leg. That's humorous.
They'll grow back. Oh. Okay. Well, that was fun. you see a wolf?
Right there at the very end.
Right
at the very end.
He jumped out after we
He
walked.
jumped out after me. Okay. So yeah, there is a wolf in there. All right, so Moonlight Massacre was pretty good. Some really good scares in there. The wolf jumped out at some point, a couple points. Yeah, very good house. No notes. All right, this house, Tales of the Dead. I'm going to try something new this time around. I'm going to record with an infrared camera. That last house, it really threw me off, the light on my phone. I just couldn't see anything, but let's try my brand new infrared camera and let's see how this works. Well, folks, as you could probably tell, this video doesn't have audio. Quick disclaimer, I tested out this camera and its microphone, and when I actually got on scene, I just assumed everything was working hunky-dory, and obviously it wasn't. The infrared video, you could see, is working pretty good. So instead of just my face and then random screams, how about I tell you a little about Sir Henry's Haunted Trail? This is going to be their 10th season of a horror fear park. This place is really, really unique. It's not in Orlando, it's not in Tampa, it's about the halfway point, and this is their main event. This is where they really shine. They also have events for Christmas and Valentine's Day. I've done the Christmas one, I've never done the Valentine's Day one. That one I think would be very interesting. But this Fear Park has a celebrated story pass with many seasons covering many different stories as well. They have a book series based off the characters. The books are written by Amanda Rosenblatt and Brad Acevedo. It's a 3-book series. I highly suggest you check it out. It's about Sir Henry and his mysterious family of misfits, as they call it. So before we get into it too deep, let me go back, and I'm going to read you the synopsis of that first house where the audio was working. The Moonlight Massacre. It's a desperate sheep farmer makes a deal with an old hag, but discovers he turns into a werewolf underneath the light of the moon. His rage and fury are unleashed upon his family in town. Will you escape? So, werewolves, yay! Who doesn't like that? This house, Tales of the Dead, legend has it on Halloween night, the phantom Sir Henry returns from the grave with his cast of freaks and hunts the murderer of his beloved bride. Don't get caught with blood on your hands. Alright, I won't read like that anymore, I promise. This particular house is where you're going to actually see the Sir Henry character. These characters also walk around on the outside of the park, so sometimes you might see them inside the house, sometimes you might see them outside the house. It's really by luck wherever you do see him, but if you're on the lookout, you will see him somewhere. Last of the 3 actual houses, Wicked Waters, I think? Yeah. This one should be good. Alright, up next we have Wicked Waters. An evil swamp witch has found a long-lost artifact to resurrect an ancient witch, Beatrice. Human sacrifices and the spell have unleashed havoc, and now undead begin to swarm the swampy waters. No one is safe. I read like that again, didn't I? I can't help it, I'm sorry. So while we're here, let me tell you about the dates. It is almost every Friday through Saturday, starting September 29th and 30th. Nothing on the Sunday following that. But after that, October 6th, 7th, 8th, and every Friday and Saturday all the way up to Saturday, November 4th. And I gotta stress this, you have to buy the tickets online in advance. You cannot buy them at the gate. Now this is the last trail house. After that is just the hayride, and what I'll do is after the synopsis of that, I will go over the level of tickets that they sell and their prices. So you want to stay tuned for that. All right, Wicked Waters. That one was one of the creepier houses I've ever been in. That's without a doubt. Big plus, big plus. All right, and finally we have Legends of Halloween, the Haunted Hayride. This is a tractor-pulled, literal hay ride experience. You and about 10 of your best friends are going to go through this experience, and you're going to go through different kinds of scenery where there's all kinds of spooky stuff. Keep an eye out for the Headless Horseman. He's in here somewhere. But the synopsis is, take a ride deep into woods and discover the ancient legends of Halloween. But watch out for the evil witch Beatrice as she looks to curse any trespasser to her woods.
I went full bore on that, didn't I? Cool. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Okay, as far as the tickets, what you do is you go to sirhenryshauntedtrail.com. I'll put a link in the description. You pick the day you want to go, and then you pick the particular time frame you want to go. They're sold in the half-hour increments, and the tickets are, first off, the general admission ticket. That's $32. That's admission to each of the haunted trails. The hayride is not included with that. Got to keep that in mind. Then there's the all-access ticket, which does get you into all the trails and the haunted ride. That one is $47. That's the one you probably want to go with. If you want to splurge and save some time, you want to do the VIP ticket. It includes one front-of-the-line entry to each attraction, both the trails and the hayride, and allows for unlimited entries into the general admission line for each trail house. It does not include unlimited entries for the haunted hayride. That ticket is $62. If you're looking to save a lot of time and experience the other things going on at the event, this is probably the way you want to go. Some of the other things you can do while at this event, they do have 2 escape rooms. Those are $5 a person, and you can buy those on site at the swag shop. There's also obviously the swag shop, which has lots of merchandise. You can get the books, get some memorabilia from your time at the event. There's also axe throwing, $5 per person for 9 throws. Tickets again for that can be bought at the swag shop on site. There's also themed drinks and snacks, so you will have everything you need right here on site.
All right, so Haunted Halloween. I gotta say, it was worth it. It's pretty good, but my one advice is don't sit in the front. You'll miss some stuff if you end up sitting in front because they do everything towards the back. But otherwise than that, really good. Really good hayride. I enjoyed it. So guys, Sir Henry's Haunted Trail here in Plant City. Gotta say, this is worth the trip, especially if you're like a normal Horror Nights or Halloween visitor. You gotta come out here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my little stumbling through the houses in brilliant black and white, overblown, crappy photography. Guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Take care of yourselves.